Alright folks, welcome back to another Gem or Bust Quickie Series video. That's right, I am just going to do a very quick amp dyno of this amplifier here and try to make this a shorter video for you all, but still give you all that great content you want, just in a very condensed format. Today I have for you the Synergy Audio WFO 3.1D. What does the WFO stand for? I don't know. I know what a WTF one would be, but this is the WFO. This one is rated at 3,500 watts by 1 at 1 ohm, and normally when I see a 3,500 watt amplifier, they do not come with dual inputs. So since the last amplifier I tested from Synergy Audio was rated extremely horribly, they were absolutely nowhere near the power ratings they put. They were way over it. I think that one, I think the 2.1 actually put out close to 3,500 watts. Kurt Kunkel, if you're out there, you're watching, and you're the owner of Synergy Audio, you or my friend are a terrible rater of amplifiers. At least on the WFO 2.1. So let's see if that holds true on the 3.1. Another high quality amplifier from them. This one has a little bit of a different look than what the 2.1D had. Kind of like the look of the 2.1. This one does in fact have no clip indication on the amplifier. I was not sent a remote bass knob with this. I was just pretty much sent a raw amp, so don't know if you're going to get one or not. I think you'll probably get a clip indicating bass knob. This does have the ability to strap as well as link amplifiers together. The difference between strapping and linking, I did not really know that at the time, the 2.1, but I do now. On a strap, you of course are doubling the power going to one speaker by putting two amplifiers on one speaker. When you link, you're still going to multiple speakers, but all you're doing is, like, let's say you have 7 of these amplifiers together and you've got an enormous budget, or you're running an SPL vehicle. You know, you want to have all the gains set the same, you want all the filters set the same, but you know, that's very time consuming. On a link feature, you link the amps together, and whatever set as the original master amp, all you have to do then is set the gain, set your filters on the master, and it sets all of the gains, all of the settings on all the other amplifiers down the chain. So pretty cool feature. But again, this is supposed to be a quick video, so enough of me talking. Let's just jump right into an amp dyno. All right, folks, you just saw the results, and my opinion of Kurt as being one of the worst raters in the business is true. The guy, Kurt, you have no idea how to rate amplifiers. It's like you're the opposite of Boss when it comes to ratings. You know, they rate very horribly towards what the amplifier should do, and it doesn't do, you know, and you rate them way above what they do, and so just it's terrible. But you know, still, this is an amp that you think that you're getting 3,500 watts with, but you're not. This is a 5,000 watt amplifier. Holy crap! Dynamically, well over 6,000 watts. I mean, it hit its number uncertified, granted with a little bit higher voltage, at 2 ohms. I got over 3,500 watts at 2 ohms. I got 3,300 watts certified at 2 ohms at 14.4. I mean, I did 1,700 watts at 4 ohms certified, over 2,000 watts uncertified, over 2,000 watts dynamic, 3,500 watts dynamic at 2 ohms, and then over 6,000 watts dynamic at 1 ohm, 6,700 watts or something like that at 0.8 dynamic, maybe 66, I don't know. It's crazy numbers. It's so far above what it's rated at, it's almost silly. So, you know, granted, I have over 14 volts. Here's what I can tell you. If you buy this amplifier and your voltage drops down to 12 volts, you're still going to get 3,500 watts. You know, it's rated at 14.4, but even you 12 volt guys, if you drop down to 11.5, you're still getting 3,500 watts. If your voltage holds strong and you rise to 2 ohms, you're getting 3,500 watts. I guess that's what they really should tell you. No matter what, you're getting 3,500 watts. That's really what they ought to tell you. You know, just be like, whatever, 3,500 watts. Okay, done, deal with it, right? If you get more, be happy. So, nice job by Synergy Audio. This is a very well-built amp. It does very solid on the dyno. I hooked it up to a subwoofer here. It sounds great. Look, I don't know what more you could want. All right, so nice job by them. Stay tuned after the credits. I'll show you some amp cuts. Till next time, folks, I got a lot more amps to test.